Sleep early.
Sleep early.
Smile more.
Smile more.
Check your weight.
Check your weight.
Stretch your body.
Stretch your body.
Avoid junk food.
Avoid junk food.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Take deep breaths.
Take deep breaths.
Do some yoga.
Do some yoga.
Take your vitamins.
Take your vitamins.
Use sunscreen.
Use sunscreen.
Visit the doctor.
Visit the doctor.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Don't interrupt.
Don't interrupt.
Don't skip meals.
Don't skip meals.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
Grab a shopping cart.
Grab a shopping cart.
Drink more water.
Drink more water.
Eat healthy food.
Eat healthy food.
Stay fit.
Stay fit.
Exercise daily.
Exercise daily.
Follow your routine.
Follow your routine.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk.
Go away.
Go away.
Greet the guests.
Greet the guests.
Take some photos.
Take some photos.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself.
Invite your friends.
Invite your friends.
Check the recipe.
Check the recipe.
Join the conversation.
Join the conversation.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Meditate for 10 minutes.
Meditate for 10 minutes.
Come here.
Come here.
Respect others' opinions.
Respect others' opinions.
Compare the prices.
Compare the prices.
Rest your eyes.
Rest your eyes.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Shake hands.
Shake hands.
Share your thoughts.
Share your thoughts.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Try it on.
Try it on.
Offer a drink.
Offer a drink.